The best alternative to all this tedious work is the CPAP box. We supply CPAP machines on a rental basis without any hassle. All we need from you is the prescription and a valid payment method for your CPAP to be right at your doorstep in just 1 to 2 business days. And you will be able to rent a CPAP at $29.99 per month or a BiPAP at $59.99 per month and the required supplies at $25.99 per month. We don't require any insurance, no compliance, no paperwork, and no long waiting. And the machine and supplies will show up at your door within 1 to 2 business days. And we want you to sleep better without making the process any harder. Use code NEWPATIENT5 to get $5 off your first purchase. Visit www.thecpapbox.com to get started. Sleeping can be hard. Getting a CPAP shouldn't be. Thank you.